Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on BitTorrent. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price on a BitTorrent was about to break another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if we move to the live daily time frame, then you can see that recently, finally, we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge. You can see that we found the support of the wedge here on 20th of November 2024. Then we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, so many rejections here. Then we had another bounce here and another rejection here, bounce here, rejection, and now the price line of BitTorrent has broken out the resistance of this wedge. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well that is happening here, this breakout on this 7-day time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for API 3, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 22nd of March 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or even for the past several months, it is moving inside this way since after the month of November 2024. And the movement was quite squeezed recently. Therefore, I was telling you that soon we may see that the price line may break this pattern. And this is the bullish bias pattern, this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, there were more chances for the breakout. And now, finally, the price line has broken out the resistance. Yes, there is a probability that the price line may retest the previous resistance of the wedge as support before the next move to the upside. Now, the next upcoming resistance is this strong resistance that starts from 7.3 and goes to 7.7. And previously, it had been breaking other resistance line here and support line here. And in case of breaking it out, the next move can be possible up to the next long-term resistance line here. That starts from point 0000 and 05 times 0108 and goes to 115. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance line from 108 to 115 has been previously breaking other resistance on here, support on here, and resistance on here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of BitTorrent. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 166, 167. And by the way, before that, we will also need to break out this up trend line resistance as well that had been previously breaking at a very strong and long-term support. And now after this breakdown, it can break a strong resistance for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, then target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.